Hi, welcome back. I'm Brendan Clarke and this is another one of our Why EBM Plus videos. And today's reason for EBM Plus is historically the oldest, and it comes from some work that two of the project team, Federica Russo and j.williamson, did about 10 years ago, which got called the Russo-Williamson Thesis. And their idea, which is a philosophical one, was this: that causation in medicine has two kinds of evidence that underlie it, right? It has evidence of mechanisms and evidence of correlations, or evidence of difference making. And that idea has run through a lot of the work that we've done on EBM Plus. And the reason that we take it seriously and like it is because using two kinds of evidence to build your causes does something really great with the characteristic strengths and weaknesses of each of the kinds of evidence. And the analogy that we've used is something like reinforced concrete. So when you make reinforced concrete, you get steel rods and you pour concrete around them. And this does something really, really good with material properties, right? The strengths and weaknesses of the steel balance the strengths and weaknesses of the concrete. And the same too with the kinds of evidence. So when you've got evidence of correlations, your big problem is about confounding. Right, so you can unpick confounding using mechanisms. And the big problem that you've got with mechanisms is that you can have mass mechanisms. So if you've got a couple of different mechanisms that are potentially possible, you don't know which one is actually happening in a population. And evidence of correlations is very good at picking that out. So we think that the strengths of each kind of evidence balance out the weaknesses of each kind of evidence and lead you to make better causal claims. And that's a reason to take EBM Plus seriously.